This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Good morning, or rather good afternoon. It's 2 in the afternoon now. We haven't left the home yet. Axel is grumpy, but I'm gonna show you something. Yesterday I talked about this whatever camping mode, right? Camp mode. It was right here. It's actually called custom profile. If you go there, you have these three. Well, could they at least check stuff on the screen before they put it in production? Take a break, temporary parking, camping mode. Okay, but if you go here, take a break. This is for like relax mode or something. Wow, it's full of error, line break errors here. What they call it, temporary parking. This is for just parking, and then we have camping mode here. Okay, but if I go here, if I start it, there's a, okay, there's some, this is like a camp mode or dog mode, and then the owner came back soon and turned on the air con. Wow, don't they do a little language check before they put this stuff in production? Okay, anyway, let's go. And wow, the backup camera seems to run at 10 FPS. It's choppy and also not that sharp. So, well, at least we have backup camera, right? Wait, let me try to not run down the cactus here. Okay, let's go. Wow, that's choppy. Shit. Well, guess what? As soon as we start moving, then Axel goes quiet. Always keep moving, avoid stau, and you'll be fine. So yes, since it's raining today, then we're not sure what to do, but at least we want to get some lunch at Oh My Coffee. It's a Thai cafe with some great food and Thai tea. Oh yeah. So we are on this side now of Gøteborg. We stay for once on the south side, not the north side. Okay, we decided to head south actually because the kids, they need sleep and they are actually asleep now. So if we quickly go to the cafe, holy shit man, these sounds, they cannot be turned off and they cannot be turned down lower. So yeah, so we if we go straight to the cafe, they're gonna wake up. So we have to keep moving. Yeah, don't stop. So I chose a route. Unfortunately, I know this route. I've been driving up and down it hundreds of times. This stretch here is the 1,000 kilometer challenge stretch. So I'll drive over to Kungsbacka and back again. If I go too far south, then there's stau there. There's some weird stuff going on, probably Unfall or something. Whatever, we go to Kungsbacka and back again. And that will be around half an hour. So the kids get some sleep so they don't get too grumpy. Man, it has been 2 years since last time we came here. So, yeah. It's supposed to be over here somewhere. I recognize that place. Well, we had parking spots here, but the problem is that this area is that it takes a long detour to U-turn. So we had to walk a little bit, and that's fine. But it's not that warm today anymore. Only 11 degrees Celsius. Well, Isabel is grumpy. Oh, okay, she wants to be carried. Here it is. Oh My Coffee. Well, we don't drink coffee, but there are other things here too. And it's supposed to be not that busy today. Okay, lunch for today is this. This is moping. Well, it's just pork with sticky rice, and then we have kamankai. We have chicken with rice and some sauce. Well, it's not 100% authentic, but as authentic as you can get it, I guess, around here in Europe. And then green tea. Oh, that was great food as usual. And I also met up with my partner over here. He actually lives in Gøteborg. He had a mysterious partner. But anyway, I see now that we should have gone to another place next time, maybe. This place is called, well, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but it's fucking good. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, say this. Wait, no, it locked the car. Dude, I'm standing right here. It's so trigger happy to lock the car. Okay, anyway, we're gonna go now to Leo's because it's too cold to go to Liseberg right now. Look at the Ceres and look at the Porsche over there. Do you see the similarities? That's I don't know, it's a hybrid. Yeah. They look quite similar, huh? This is the poor man's Porsche. Let's go. All right. Get over there. I'm actually using the thing just, dude, I'm holding the steering wheel. It just doesn't register my steering wheel, I mean my hand all the time. But yeah, the navigation here is really weird. I tried to navigate to something, I don't remember what. Yeah, I navigated to Oh My Coffee. It found Oh My Coffee in Germany, in France, and it couldn't find the one in the city. So I kind of given up this. So, but whatever, we used Google navigation, it works great. Autosteer, however, is kind of it's nervous. Okay, go faster. No, faster here. Yeah, no, it's so nervous. The autosteer. Oh, we're now at Leo's Møllendal. Yeah, there's plenty of play stuff here. Just have to make sure I don't film other kids. This is what Isabel loves. 3-year-olds, they can play here. Well, unfortunately, we could not go to Liseberg yet. But over here at least. Wait, they have more sliders than in Norway. Hey, this Leo's is quite awesome. Huh? Let's go. Hands in. In with the hands. Zoom. Boom. Let's go. Let's burn some calories. Wow, this was unexpected. Isabel seems to be really hungry for playtime. Normally she has to go with daddy, but now she doesn't want to wait. Wow, so flink do I. She does it herself now. Go. Oh, that's good because then I don't have to burn. Well, actually, maybe I should go join her. Okay, that was great. Oh, wait, Axel is crying again. Go. Then we have to keep driving. It's random whether he cries or not. Yeah. He was not crying just a minute ago. I think I drove too slow. Go schnell. Well, we will grab some food now on the way back home. Well, it's great that the kids got to play a bit. Yeah. But there's something weird with this car because when I preheated, but it doesn't get warm in here. And it seems to time out on the app or something. It's weird, man. The app seems to be nice, but unstable, not reliable. Okay, evening food, we have some pad thai and some pad Bjørn. This is a Thai restaurant, but it's run by Vietnamese people. So I'm not sure. Lam con nha. Okay. Balam. Okay. So it's okay-ish. The sweet and sour balam, yeah, not that great. And then Axel, he's tired. He hasn't slept for 6 hours. So well, I had a nap. I forgot. Yeah, 5 hours or something. Yeah, 4. So now I have to hold him. Yeah, you can see it here better. Yeah. Okay. There. So what's nice about the Nordic summer is that it stays bright longer. Yeah, those guys, they have swimming pool. It's just, yeah, I'm gonna lurk on them. Yeah, there's swimming pool there, but it seems like maybe there's no requirement in Sweden to have a swimming the cover over that. I mean, it could be that animal or something falls in there. Or however, they have fence around the whole thing. Right. And then the series just parked right outside there. Well, since it's Easter, then I purchased this Swedish påskemusk. I don't know what the heck. Must. Yeah. Some Easter soda in a small Asian size bottle. Well, actually, no. You know what? This is Belgian-sized bottles. Like, if you go to Belgium, you go to a restaurant, you get 0.2 liter bottles. Yeah. Okay, anyway, let's try. Tastes like ostesaft. Well, in Sweden, they have many weird stuff, like surströmming. Not sure if this is my favorite. Well, it works. I'm thirsty. It is now around 4 at night, 19th of April, and seems like we have no electricity here. I was looking for the breaker box, but I couldn't find it because this house has been split into seems like 3 or 4 different units with the sole purpose of renting it out for Airbnb. So the breaker box is somewhere else, not in this unit. But then I realized that maybe this is a power outage for the whole neighborhood. So Isabel is asleep here in the bed. Well, it's a sofa bed. So I also sleep there. She vomited earlier today, so I do a quick clean. I don't have to change the bedding tomorrow morning. And then my phone, is now on the flash mode, whatever you want, flashlight mode. Normally Isabel wants me to have some light on. She doesn't want to sleep in complete darkness. That's why I immediately turn on some lights in case she briefly wakes up. But if it's too dark, then she will start crying. But I was wondering, is this a power outage or is it something? So did a breaker pop? But then when I check outside, well, you can't see much, but there is a solar lamp there that is on. But in the neighbor here, who has a swimming pool, this is completely dark. No street light, nothing. Yeah, you can't see much in the camera. So, these power outages, they are really rare, ultra rare in Norway. You could live in Norway or stay in Norway for 5 years and there'd be no power outage at all. That's why in Norway nobody cares about using Powerwall. But I realize that in other countries where the grid is not that stable, then Powerwall is needed. Unfortunately, I don't have any vehicle to load adapter on a series. I bet it's a Portugal because Chinese car. But probably in the morning it's going to be okay. So, yeah. In case I need juice, I could charge the laptop. Yeah, the laptop, the phone is then fed with USB-C from the laptop. So eventually the laptop battery will run out, but it's going to take a while. But I could then charge the laptop from the car's 12 volt USB-C there. Yeah, but okay. I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I'm also, I forgot to show you. Also carrying Oxen. He woke up, of course, at night. So yeah, this is the struggle. Trying to get him sleep. Trying to put him to sleep.